kinde ma piny Kenya ikore ne yiero maduong' mag 2027. Bishop mar Anglican na Diocese ma Nyahururu Major retired Samson Gathachi wacho ni e kinde ma piny Kenya ikore ne yiero mabiro jotend siasa were gi weche mag athwe nyayo lweny e kind mamoko. Bende omedo ni luor nyaka me katiba mapacho ka kod ratiro mag oganda ka ginyaya achiel mar oganda Jokenya.
As Kenya enters a general election year, I strongly appeal to political leaders and citizens to reject hate speech, incitement, and violence. Political affiliation is a constitutional right, whether you are in 2-term or 1-term. Incitement and violence cannot be condoned. Political affiliations is basically each one of us right, but it must never override respect for human dignity or national unity. Leadership, therefore, must be exercised with restraint, accountability, and genuine concern for the welfare of the citizens of Kenya.